Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this video, I will show you how you can use your YouTube search tag. So you already know the YouTube tags. It's very powerful to rank a YouTube videos. So it works like a YouTube video SEO. Okay. In this part, I will show you how you can optimize your search tag and the tools. I will use the vidIQ. So you already know the vidIQ. So vidIQ is a powerful tool. So you can do lots of things for your YouTube journey: keyword research, computer analysis, and tag research, and lots of more things. Okay, and the video ideas, which is really interesting to me. This is my video. This is the short video. Okay, so short video is a very trending right now. And this is my video. So it's all about cryptocurrency. So I haven't used any tags here. It's totally empty. And here you can see the template and keyword inspector, and maybe you don't see in your under tag like this section. So you will see this section after installing the vidIQ's Chrome extension, and when it will active, so you will see that this section right here, and here is the section upgrade to vidIQ Boost to see more recommended. So as a beginner, we don't need to upgrade vidIQ. So I learned by myself through the YouTube videos. So this is the title. Okay, 5 best cheap cryptos must buy for 10x growth. So I will copy this sentence. This is my title, and I will paste here into the add tags here. All right. So here we can see the recommended tags. So first of all, so when it was empty, there was nothing here. But when I put it some sentence, it will automatically come up the recommended tags, which is really important for me, because I don't need to search by myself. It will automatically recommend it. So I can just click on the plus section, and it will automatically add it here. Just click on plus. So far I got 28.2 under 100 and actionable 28.2, and the tag counts: keyword description 4 count, tag count triple tags 3, keyword title tag 3. Okay, so I have more options. I can add more tags here, like up to 500. So how can I do that? So before doing this, I will add some keyword like 5 best cheap cryptos again, and copy and just paste it here. See, it's another search tag. Okay, 5 best cheap cryptos. So I don't know what is the search result, how many people search in these tags. So if I want to know this, just click on that, and you will see the search volume. Okay, the search volume and competition is very low. So it's really great for me. And here you go the others keywords, but already I used it. So if I want to click on cryptocurrency, so it will come up new ideas like new keywords. So cryptocurrency news that I haven't used yet, so I can use it. Just click on cryptocurrency news. It will automatically add into your tag section. Here you can see cryptocurrency news. Okay, so Bitcoin, just click on Bitcoin and keyword research your search, and here you can see the related keywords, and it will come up the search volume and the competition. So competition is very low, so it's look like very easy for me to add some keywords here. So Bitcoin news today, Bitcoin news, Bitcoin price. So when you click on the new one, it will come up with new keywords. But if you already used it, so it will show the tick mark, like this is the new one for me. Bitcoin price today, I haven't used it. So Bitcoin price today, click on this, and this already I added here. So that's why I got only new one. Okay, Bitcoin technical analysis. So let's check this. So here we can see all the keywords added here. So how cool is that? Okay, and let's check our performance. So it will increase. So 44.9%, actionable 44.9%. It's really great. Just type on invest in, and here you can see the cryptocurrency. Just click on this, and the another keyword is crypto trading. Okay, crypto trading, TRA trading for beginners. Okay, so crypto trading for beginners, crypto trading course, crypto trading. And so these two keywords I inputted here by search. Okay, so let's check their abilities. Okay, so click on this, and here we can see the new ideas, like the new keywords, and the competition is high, medium, high. Okay, so no problem. Just crypto trading strategies, how to trade cryptocurrency and how to invest in cryptocurrency. Just click on how to trade. Okay, so Bitcoin mining app, Bitcoin mining. So Bitcoin mining, and here you can see we are very close to 500. So we have left maybe 11. So I just put my name. So I will just put my YouTube channel name Raihan Rifat, and here you can see it's over 500. So I will delete some Bitcoin price. Okay, so I will add some here BTC. Okay, BTC and Ether. So I deleted Bitcoin price and I added here some new tag like BTC and Ether, and it's now 498. Okay, so let's check our actionable. So vidIQ score is 55 and actionable is 50-50. And performance ranked at 1 but high volume, so we don't have high volume tags yet. So as it's a short video, so I don't need to high volume search tag. It's good for this video, so it will rank and it will grow your YouTube channel fastly. So here you go, how you can add your YouTube video tags, which is really powerful. And here you can improve your vidIQ SEO score and actionable score as well as. So if you love this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you another video. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.